Okay, hello everyone. So today again I have one problem which is again from linear algebra. So that I have to solve this problem again. I have taken from linear algebra. So here we have to check whether my given transformation is linear transformation or not. Okay. So first I will write definition. What do you mean by linear transformation? And then after that I will give the solution of this. How we can verify the given equation is linear transformation or not. Okay. So let T V over F to W over F. This is V over F means vector space over field F. Okay. So is said to be linear transformation if T of alpha V1 plus beta V2 is equal alpha times T of V1 plus beta times T of V2 for all V1 V2 belongs to V and alpha beta is belong to filter. So this is a general definition how we can check the given transformation is linear transformation or not. Okay. So see there is some condition that we have to satisfy. So first condition I can say is T of 0 0 0 T of 0 0 0 should belongs to W. Okay. दैट मीन्स अगर मैं 0 0 को मैप करता हूँ तो ये तुम्हारे W में बिलोंग करना चाहिए. ओके. सेकेंड वन T शुड बी इन लीनियर फॉर्म. T शुड बी इन लीनियर फॉर्म. So by using these two we can discard the options whatever we are getting in exam. Okay. So these two thing is most important while checking a linear transformation. Okay. So now I will come to this problem. So first linear transformation we have given this one. So I will let me write this. Now we'll check 0 0 should belongs to W. Okay. That means T of 0 0 should be 0. What I mean to say. So we should check T of 0 should be 0 for all 0 belongs to. Okay. So from first T1, if I consider T1, we have given x, y, z is equal to x plus 1, y, z. So if suppose I am writing T of 0 0 0, so we will get 0 plus 1 0 0. This is going to be 1 0 0. This is not equal to 0. Okay. That means T1 is not linear transformation. Okay. So from here we can say that T is not a linear transformation. Okay. Now I will come to the this second one. So for T2 we have given x y z equal x y z, right? So what I have said that T should be in linear form. So from here if I see this one, this element, so we can conclude that xy, this is not in a linear, okay, this is not in linear form. Okay, so this should not be the linear transformation. T2 is not linear transformation. Okay. Now I will come to the this T3. If we solve T3, we will see it is going to be linear transformation 100%. Okay, this is going to be linear transformation 100%. So now I will discard the options. So first option I will, if I take, it is saying T1, T2, T3 are linear transformation. So as we know, T1 and T2 is not a linear transformation, so this is going to be wrong. Okay, T1, T2 is linear transformation, no. Now this T1 and T2 is linear, T1 and T3 is linear transformation, but as we know, T1 is not a linear transformation, so this is not going to be true. So the remaining option is my option number, this one, option C, that going to be correct one. So what I was saying, this is going to be 100% linear transformation. So that means my T3 is a linear transformation.